FDW5010, a double-line winch, features an integrated highly compact structure. It is fitted with a wide-voltage single electromagnetic brake to realize power-off braking. It comes standard with two 3mm steel wire ropes, a rated lifting capacity of 50 kg and single rope braking force 473 kN. It adopts UDP multicast protocol for high-speed one-to-many data transmission with strong anti-interference ability and a maximum running speed of 0.5 meters per second. Built-in multi-point synchronization algorithm ensures linear position error 1 mm with precise control and quick response. Optimized mechanical structure paired with anti-tangle technology and dedicated rope pressing mechanism effectively prevents steel wire ropes from slipping out of grooves and tangling. The winch locks instantly under power loss or emergencies to timely avoid safety hazards. FDW5010, a double-line winch, supports safe and efficient operation.